Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is December the 18th, 2021. Bitcoin Cash, man. You guys can see it. I didn't get my price prediction correct on our last video, which was on November the 25th. I was playing the strength into the market in Bitcoin Cash. And you all can see that instead of price going up, it went down. So we got some things to talk about today on this video. I'm going to give you all a new price target into the market in Bitcoin Cash because, yeah, he got us on this last bout. You know, he won the last war against us in the market. Instead of price going up, he brought the price down. Cool. But we need to get back into position, shake it off, and get back in and predict the market again. So if you guys want to join me, hit the like button, share, and also subscribe here to the channel. And let's do another price target, because this is what I do. I look at the price. I don't care about anything else that is going on regarding Bitcoin Cash or anything within the cryptocurrency space, because the people already tell us ahead of time to what they think the market in Bitcoin Cash is going to do. So let me first, before I give you all a new price target, let me show you all what happened to the market following our video, which was right here on November 25th. I mean, from out the gate, the price went down, and that was a dead giveaway that, you know, what you originally intended wasn't going to happen. The moment you saw the price the next day in Bitcoin Cash on November the 26th dropped 9%, all the way back down to where we said that we needed to allow the market to hold support, right? Was almost a dead giveaway to say, hold on, you look like you might need to come in and reevaluate your situation as to what you thought the price was going to do. Now, we would not have let the market go, or our prediction go on this day, right? We wouldn't have done it, because the market is still holding to our area of support, $545. We were still there. So even though the market moved drastically to the downside, we would have still held out, right? But it would have brought more attention to our original prediction, though, right? We would have been a little bit more attentive to what price action is going to do now, seeing that it is trading around $545. Okay. Now, at what point would you have said, okay, cool, I already know that I'm getting some hints that this prediction that I did on the 25th, it might be wrong, but we would not have let the play go. So we would let the market continue to trade on the 27th, 28th, 29th of November, 30th of November. And then you guys begin to see how the lack of interest or demand was coming through the market on these days, right? You begin to see it December the 1st, and then here December the 2nd, you begin to see that where are the buyers? They're gone. The market is closing on the low end of these daily price bars, and then boom, right here December the 3rd, we broke where we said that we was willing to hold the prediction. That would have been the indication to say, yeah, you didn't get this one right. So in order to minimize your loss, you need to cut the play then, right? You would have cut it on that particular day, right here on the close, December the 3rd. That was around 14.75% loss. 14, right? Now look at where the price is today in Bitcoin Cash, $437. See, so many people want you to hold on to these plays, right? They want you to hold it for the next 5,000 years. But in order to minimize the losses, this is how you're able to cut plays, because you understand what the market is telling you. Because if you didn't cut the play on December the 3rd, instead of being down 14.75%, you'll be down 30 today. Yeah. All because you want to hope and wish that the market comes back up. It's not how this game is supposed to be played. You need to recognize the good and the bad. And the bad was telling us on December the 3rd, like, yeah, you might want to cut this, because price is anticipated to continue to go a lot lower, right? So we got that lesson. We've learned more about how the market really works, and how to cut plays to know that you didn't get your price prediction correct. So now let's get back into this. Let's do the price target now in Bitcoin Cash. Now I wanted to show you something, right? Let me zoom out. Now, one thing that we all can take note and see is that Bitcoin Cash broke this trend, right? So instead of us really seeing how strong this particular price in Bitcoin Cash is, yeah, we cannot really feel that way right now. We can't, because the market broke the trend on December the 4th or the 5th, right? We broke it. So we cannot be bullish anytime. Well, not right now. We can't be bullish right now. We cannot expect the price in Bitcoin Cash to go up, right? So what's the next best thing? Well, price can consolidate then. That's the next best thing for us to see in Bitcoin Cash price action, is for it to consolidate. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take this ascending line, right? And I'm going to transpose it into a horizontal line. And this is where price needs to hold support going forward in Bitcoin Cash. Simple, right? I can even extend this out to the left of the chart, and you all can see how important that area is. $435, $430, give or take. That is where we need to see Bitcoin's price hold. All right. So as I zoom in on this price chart, we need to see the buyers stepping in around here, right there around $436 or $400. We need to see the market step in there. We need to see the buyers, because if so, then we kind of got an idea as to the market going up then, right? Now, let me zoom in on this chart and let's look at this from a daily perspective, because actually we are seeing buyers step into the market in Bitcoin Cash. Take a look at this. This is where the buyers are stepping in. Okay. Now, yes, we're in a downtrend. All right. So I don't want you all to think that this market in Bitcoin Cash is massively strong, because it's not. For one, we're in a downtrend. Price has been coming down in Bitcoin Cash since November. Two, we broke that ascending trend, remember? So the market in Bitcoin Cash is not massively strong. Okay, I don't want you all to think that, because I know a lot of people on YouTube is going to tell you that this market is going to go up 500% in the next week, and that is not what we have here on the chart, right? So this is Bitcoin Cash on the 3-day time frame. Now, the buyers have a big job ahead of them, though. I don't want you all to think that the market price in Bitcoin Cash is not through going lower. They got a big job ahead of them. Right there, July is when the market reversed course and saw price go up. Even here, June 21st. So I think you guys can begin to see historically that, yeah, price in Bitcoin Cash was able to go up from $400. Now, again, as I transition over to these different time frames, I don't see a massive indication that price is about to go up higher. Now, it doesn't mean that we won't come up and hit our head right there around 500, because we can, and that's probably about it. I mean, when you see this on a 2 weeks time frame, we got a day and 9 hours left in Bitcoin Cash, and I mean, look at it. It looks weak. When I see this on a longer term perspective, the weekly, the 2 week time frame in Bitcoin Cash, the market here is still weak. Now, if you guys have been a subscriber of this channel for a very long time, I tell you all to always pay attention to what you have. Now look at this. Over the last 3 2 weekly price bars, right? Let's try to investigate and see what really happened. Look at the spread of these 2 week price bars. Look at them. This 2 weekly price bar, we started on November the 8th, and then the second one we started on November 22nd. You would agree that those are very wide spreads, right? But look at this volume. The volume on these 3 2 weekly price bars are literally the same. They're about the same. But here we are on this one. The spread is a lot smaller. See, something is stopping the progressional down move of this current 2 weekly price bar. Well, what is it? It can only be 2 things. Either people are buying or people are selling the price in Bitcoin Cash. That's the only thing that we can see on price charts. So considering that this spread is a lot smaller than the last 2, but the volume is the same, this is how I know that the buyers are trying to prop up Bitcoin Cash price around 400. Simple. We got it. Now, we are on the prowl. We're here to allow them to continue to allow it to happen, though. Okay? Because if we break $400, we're going to go a lot lower. So let's see what we got here on the monthly time frame first. Okay? You guys can see this. Right there. The month of September, weakness came through. Even on November, weakness came through. So here it is, December. This is just a continuation from what happened during the month of November. Look at this on the 5 weeks. So when you, let me circle this. I want you all to see this, right? Let me show you all this. This is not strong. It's not. Every price bar we see is 5 weeks worth of price movement, right? And for us, this 5 weekly price bar from April the 19th, 2021 is massively controlling this price chart. So I don't want you all to think that we're done with the price in Bitcoin Cash going down. This is the buyers, actually, this is the buyers' last gasp of keeping price up right here around 400. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you all hourly time frame real quick, because I am seeing strength coming into the market in Bitcoin Cash, right? You guys remember I said that, but I'm not massively bullish though. I'm not, considering what price has done recently. Now, what I'm going to do though, is that even though I'm seeing the strength here into the market in Bitcoin Cash, I am going to play the strength. But again, I want you all to learn how to predict how high price is going to go. Okay, I don't want you all to think that I'm looking for price to hit $700, nothing like that. And everything's going to be contingent on us seeing price hold $400. Okay, now we can already see right there around $460 that price in Bitcoin Cash got rejected, that the sellers were still there. So instead of us being greedy, we just want to come in and get what the market is offering. Maybe we might just get 5.62% out the market here. Then take a look at here at 480. That's about 10%, right? So I'm looking at 460 and then 480. There's a very small chance that we might hit 500, but I'm not going to put that on the chart just yet. Okay, I'm just looking for 460 to $480 in this updated price prediction in the market for Bitcoin Cash, and that's about it. I'm not massively bullish. As a matter of fact, in the long term, I'm leaning more towards price continuing to go down. But today, I'm still noticing that the buyers are stepping through 420, so I'm going to play the strength on this opportunity. Now, this is not going to be a long-term prediction though. I'm expecting us to go up in the next day, 2 days or so, and then that might be all we have. And price in Bitcoin Cash will continue to go lower. Keep that in mind as well. So this is my updated price prediction into the market in Bitcoin Cash, my new price target. And I want you all to, take the opportunity to tell me yours. I mean, where do you think the market is going to go in Bitcoin Cash to round out 2021? Let me know. Drop me a comment real quick. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.